What's up, guys, man? Next morning here, we are sliding in the Audi right now. I don't know if it's the Q5 or not, but it's pretty comfortable, man, from what I can say. We on our way back to Connecticut right now. I didn't realize Connecticut and New York was really that close. It's like 40 miles away, but it's only freaking longer because it'd be so much traffic. Meanwhile, we're going against traffic right now, so we get there pretty quick. But we on our way to go deliver that road key, man. So let's go over there, pull up on our dog, and see what's good, man. Yo.
What's up, man?
What's up, man? How you doing?
How's it going?
Oh, we got the bikes out. I'm doing well, man. How about yourself? Yo.
Good to meet you, man.
Man, nice meeting you too, man. Finally. Dang, you got the bikes out today, man. You ain't playing. Got the V-Ride. Hey, so is this thing pretty fast or what?
Yeah, man. That's why I was like, yo, you want to go for a ride?
Hey, man.
I let you test ride.
Hey, man. I don't know, man. Y'all see we out here in Connecticut, man. My dog just won the 2018 Road King, man. We waiting for my transporter to pull up. But y'all see he got a freaking bike collection of his own right here, dog.
That's his, though. That was
Yeah. Hey, man, it looked good in the lineup, man.
Yeah.
It looked good in the lineup. I'm liking
We're
it.
trying to see how mine's going to look in the line.
Oh, yeah. They favor the same color. It looked kind of the same now that I'm looking at it.
I was saying when we were watching, I said, it looks the same.
Yeah, it looked the same color, and I'm thinking about it. Look good, man.
Cool.
So it's like no helmet law out here or what?
Yeah, you don't have to wear a helmet.
Wow. Yeah, that's nuts. I seen a couple people. I'm like, damn, they crazy. That's
We
nuts.
ride out here, man.
Yeah, man, that's nuts. Damn, look at the wheel on this joint, y'all. That's nuts. What size is this in the back?
300.
300. Yeah, that thing is huge, dog. Got the S&S motor on there.
Yeah.
What kind of power you putting out on this one?
120.
120?
Yeah.
Yeah. So what is it, a S&S what?
No, there's a Saxon Griffin chopper.
No,
Saxon?
the motor. What size is it?
Oh, it's a 111.
Oh, 111. Okay.
We ain't got all the bikes in the world.
Oh, yeah, straight out the box.
Yeah.
Yeah, that thing nice, man. That thing nice. So you ready to slide this thing or what, man?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, we was supposed to pull up yesterday, but hey, man, if it was on me, you know,
No, I know.
I would have been here a couple days ago.
I
It's
didn't
not on
know
me.
you were coming either. I got out of work that morning and you never said anything. So
Yeah,
I
nah. See, I usually just pull up just to see what it's
What it
like
looks
for my
like. Yeah,
transporter. Yeah. And I was just like, shoot, I'm here. Let me hit him up.
Yeah, yeah.
And I was like, hey, I'm not really
My
tripping. That's
mother-in-law
why.
actually told me later. She's like, she saw somebody outside
Yeah.
on the phone looking around.
Yeah. I seen somebody.
Yeah,
I think I don't know. It was an older guy.
She probably didn't know, so I
Yeah,
would have told her
yeah.
to wake me up if I knew it too.
Oh yeah, for
But-
sure. And I didn't want to freaking post out here too long. I'm like, man, I know I'm probably like the only black dude in the neighborhood. They're gonna call the police, man.
But damn, that's cool, man. I was kind of a little upset that I missed you yesterday. I was like,
No,
"Damn, I would've-"
it's all good. Like
Yeah.
I wasn't planning on coming out. Like I said, cause I didn't know you had to pass your house from the airport to
Yeah,
go to New York. So I'm like,
What
okay.
you do? Stay in New York?
Yeah, I stayed in Times Square last
Oh,
night.
really? Wow.
Yeah. It's not much to do over here. I didn't it's like one store or something like over here. It's different. I'm like, yeah, it's different out here, man.
Yeah.
It's like different. But yeah, New York was pretty cool. I didn't know it was that close, bro, at all.
Yeah.
Like, at all. That's nuts. I was like, I have to go.
That's cool.
This thing is crazy, man. Can we hear this thing or what, man? Let's hear it. This is a freaking nice block, man. Into the cul-de-sac. You don't got nobody messing with you.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Let's see. Woo. Yeah, that thing sound good. That thing sound beastie, dog. That's crazy. We got a good start so far. That thing sound good, though. I think it's them shorties on there.
Come on.
Like that. You ain't rode it in a minute, huh?
No, I was riding this one yesterday.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, damn.
I think you ran it too much yesterday.
He was getting ready for the day, man. He was getting ready for the day. Yeah, now that thing sound lovely. Oh, and then you got the lights on here too. Yeah. Oh yeah. It definitely sound good. This thing is crazy right here. They flipped that up. That's nuts. Oh yeah. Y'all see the lights on that joint, man. I can only imagine what this thing looked like at night. That's nuts. Yeah, it sound good, man. It sound good. It sound real good. Man, let's see if the V-Rod is louder though, man.
Nah, this one.
Nah,
this one's
it's
loud.
pretty. Oh, it's louder.
Yeah.
Yeah. Damn. Yeah, that engine is way huger compared to the freaking Road King in the Road Glide motors, man. Oh yeah. It's subtle on the startup. Let's see. Y'all see what's going on. Yeah. So which one is faster, this one or that one?
I don't know, man.
You don't know?
That one I'm more cautious on it because of the big wheel. It's
Right.
harder than lean.
Oh,
But
okay,
this
yeah.
one's like a sport bike. It's
Right.
easy.
Right.
So,
Makes
but
sense.
that one's just as fast. On the straightaway, you hit
Right, you be going. Yeah. Y'all see my dog got the shirt. He trying to match his bike, man. He said he about to be ready. He ain't playing, man. Hey, man, he is not playing, man. Y'all see he brought the bikes out for us, man. His boy got his bike. This the, what year Road King?
2004.
2004 Road King, man. Y'all see it's like damn near the same color as his Road King, man. We about to get it in, though. I can't wait. This thing is looking sick. About to prepare for that other joint, dog. Man, I like these bars. They different. They like the beach style bars, kind of, yeah?
Yeah, I just put them on.
Yeah?
A month ago, yeah.
So they got like the little riser thing right here then, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Looks sweet, man. Looks sweet. Yeah, when you see this one pull up, we gonna have to get you some wheels or something, man. We gonna change the whole game up, man. We gonna get him on track. Don't even trip. This thing clean, though. I like this chrome, dog. That chrome is hitting. Is this one pretty fast too or what?
It's not bad.
Yeah?
It's not bad. It's not as fast as these two, but it gets along.
Right.
My other bike's quicker, but...
Oh, okay, you got another bike. You got like a sport bike or another
No,
Harley?
I just got a 1200 custom,
Oh, nice.
you know.
Yeah.
But it's fast.
Yeah, no, those bikes are pretty light,
Yeah.
so they
Yeah,
move.
that did, yeah.
Yeah. That's dope,
That's
man.
what I told him with this one. I said, it's not going to be like these two.
Yeah.
It's more of a cruiser. You're
Yeah,
gonna feel
no,
like you're
for
sitting
sure.
on your couch driving.
Yeah. So is this your first time about to ride a Road King or what?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, damn.
This was my first bike.
Right, okay, bet. You know, the V-Rod is fucking, this shit is like legendary, bro. This shit's pretty quick.
Yeah, it is.
Pretty quick, dog.
Once it gets over 4,000 RPM,
It's a wrap.
Boom, it just wants to go more.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
Yeah, no, that you gonna like the bike, man.
No,
I think you're gonna like
Yeah,
it.
it's nice.
Yeah, like out of all the ones I've been riding, like the ones I have personally, the ones I've been riding, that one feels like right now the most comfortable for sure. Even with the road glides and stuff, that one feels the most comfortable with the bars and
did
shit.
with it too. I'm glad you changed those bars. I wasn't
Yeah.
feeling those.
I know.
Yeah.
Square,
We
and
were
then it
watching
was-
the whole thing.
yeah.
I'm like,
Yeah.
yeah, the bar's gotta go.
Yeah. Nah, see the T-bar, they cool. Like if you once they don't look the best, I'll put it that they don't look the best at all.
Oh, I'm
but
sure feeling it.
yeah, but once you ride, it feels like a bicycle, bro.
Yeah.
Like I wasn't gonna change them at first, and I was like,
I just didn't like the
it just
square look on the
yeah.
bike.
No, I didn't really care too much for them either. Like the ride was cool, but as for the look, I was like, nah, man, I gotta
But
switch them out.
put
Yeah.
on are nice.
Yeah, appreciate it, man. I can't wait. Hopefully it don't rain, man. Y'all see? Y'all see what the clouds is looking like, man. We had a little sun yesterday. It was burning up. But we're going to be good today. I like this color scheme. It's like a red, white, and blue type of thing almost, man. Y'all see what's going on? Yeah, no, for sure.
So
Yeah.
and then he thought I hated red. I said, I love red.
Nah.
Red's one of my favorites.
Hey, man, now the red on there, it came out way better than I expected, man. Like,
I like it.
It looks nice.
yeah, I love the color. Like, even like, we tied in the cups. You'll see it, but we tied in the cups, and this, it just make it flow
light,
like
everything,
way
yeah.
more better.
Yeah.
He was asking me about that trim piece that was on the top, if it was red or chrome. I said, I don't know. I
Yeah,
didn't see you.
so the trim piece that I got is chrome.
Okay.
However, I don't know if you've seen my videos or not. I ordered that like maybe about
No,
a
I know.
month
Yeah,
or so
yeah.
ago, maybe even 2 months
Yeah.
now. And it still hasn't came in. So this little so it had risers, so he knows how this goes. So like you have to take off the little piece right here, right? Yeah, so I got that in the saddlebag. However, the clamp for it, I had used like an aftermarket clamp to put the bars on. So that little piece that goes over right here, I don't know if it fits on there perfectly or not. You can try to test that. It's like it's brand new. I didn't touch it. Like I tried to, but I was like, I ain't gonna really fuck with it.
This was actually a Road King custom, so I had a little chrome windshield.
Oh yeah, nice.
So I had to replace all this.
Oh yeah, you had to place the nozzle and all that. Yeah.
Road King one on.
Right, yeah. Oh, so you got music on here too, then, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, I see.
Yeah,
You got the
about
sounds.
that. I seen the speakers on that.
Yeah, no, it's
Is it hooked up, though?
Yeah, no, it's not hooked up at all.
Oh, okay.
It's not hooked up. I got those bags from another Road Glide I had, and I didn't want to buy no more bags, so I was just like, hey.
Straight. I just didn't know what's
Yeah, no, but the speakers is in there. I don't know if it's an amp in there or not, but I know the speakers are in there. So you just gotta wire an amp up, if anything. Oh yeah, yeah. He know how to do it. He got the whole shin bang. Yeah. Oh yeah, you got the speakers back here too. I ain't never even seen these before.
Yeah.
I ain't never even seen them. Out of all the people that have music on their Road Kings in LA, I've never seen them. That's crazy. What kind of pipes you got? Reinhardt?
Yep.
Is it the header too or what?
Yeah.
Yeah. So true dual then.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. That thing's. Yeah, man, let's hear this joint, dog. I know this thing loud, man. I just burnt my leg on
Not
my...
compared to what he's got.
Nah, it's all good. Let's hear it. Let's hear it, man. Y'all see what's going on? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. My guy's out here sliding and gliding, man. He ain't playing. Yeah, that thing is nice, man. I love the color, dog. Love the color.
It's very similar to yours. It's very similar to yours.
Yeah. I'm telling you, I think it's going to be dead on. I honestly think it's going to be dead on. For real.
That'll be funny.
I think it's going to be dead on, man.
I mean, you would know better because when I was looking at some of the pictures you post, there was one where it was
darker
looking,
dark. Yeah,
and there was
yeah.
one in front of your garage
It
or
looked
whatever. It
wet
looked
as
bright.
heck. Yeah. Yeah, it looks literally dead on to this color, dog. Dead on.
Mine's still going to look better.
Yeah.
You see mine over
He said he about to come harder, man.
The one I just bought the ticket for last night, that one.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
See that?
Oh, you got in on it, huh?
Make it look nice. Yeah, don't worry.
Hey, man, so what you want? Which one do you want out of the 2021 and the CVO? Which one you like the best?
Actually, my wife likes the CVO.
Right, the Flames. Okay,
She
bet.
likes that. I said, I don't care, man.
Right, either one. Yeah.
2021 too.
Yeah, either
I'll
way.
make it two again. Don't worry.
Yeah. Nah, he said I'm gonna be back. Hey, man, y'all seen what happened to the last dude when I was like, hey, man, go get your ticket. You can have the next one. He literally won the next bike. He won 2 bikes. Yeah.
Wow, yeah.
Hey, man. So
that's
speak.
the one I saw,
Yeah.
the
So
black
speak
one,
it into existence. Yeah, for
I like
sure.
that black one too, man.
Yeah, the
I
black
got a
one.
lot of chrome. I wanted something like all
Yeah.
black
It was murdered out. It was pretty clean.
Yeah, that was nice.
It was pretty. I was gonna do the black murder kit on this one. It's just taking everything apart. It's just way more time, man. It's much more of a hassle, you know.
Yeah.
But
that silver Road Glide you just delivered in Virginia was
oh man, dude, that was that was my
yo, that one's a beast. Yeah,
that was my favorite one, dog. I've never rode a Harley that fast before, and when I got on that thing, it's like, okay, let me ease off the gas. I'm going too fast. You be trying to find like the top speed is not happening.
Yeah,
I'm like,
nice
wow.
bike. We were looking at that like, oh, that's nice.
Yeah, man, I love that bike. That CVO is my favorite one right now, though. Like sound-wise, ride-wise, I like the CVO better than the 2021, only because the 2021 I ain't did nothing to it yet. But when I get back, I'm going to throw the wheels on it and pretty much finish it up. So
Yeah, he's been watching the videos with me, and then he's like, oh,
Yeah.
I'm going to get in on one now.
yeah, the same style wheels. So you got the chrome wheels with the red buttons
Those
on your
are
wheels.
awesome. Those
Yeah,
are
I'm throwing
really
those on the
nice.
21.
Oh,
So
really?
yeah,
Oh, nice.
same style.
Those are really, really nice wheels.
Thanks, man. Yeah, them things, they ain't cheap. That's for sure. They ain't cheap, man. But yeah, I can't wait. Let me see where he at real quick. All right, man. Y'all see we got the V right here, man. I done set up my GoPro, man. Y'all already know what time it is. It's time to get it going, dog. I'm about to slide this thing. I ain't never rode a V-Rod before, but today will be a first. And we got the lights on the engine bay. Y'all see what's going on, man. Man, y'all wish me luck, man. Y'all know what happened on the last silver bike I rode. Nah, let's get it going, though. Let's hear it, man. Let's hear this first startup, dog. Is it,
I think it's in neutral already. You got to turn.
Oh, the key? Okay, bet.
You got it. Yep.
Yeah, let's see. Woo! Oh, yeah. It fired right up for me, man. That's what I'm talking about. Let's see. Woo! Yes, sir, man. Y'all know what time it is, man. I'm about to plug y'all on the GoPro and get going. Let's check it out. No helmet loss, so I shouldn't be getting pulled over.
Nah, you good?
All right. Let's see. Yeah.
loud his bike is.
Oh, you can hear
I was
me?
like, yo, that is loud. I hear it all the way down.
Hey, I'm done.
Like,
He
oh.
like, man, I think I gave the wrong idea, man. He fucking dogging my shit.
No, I'm not that. I never realized how loud it was. I'm always
Yeah,
on
nah,
it.
this shit's loud when you get in it, for
Yeah.
sure.
That's why I said, like, up over 4,000. It's
Alrighty, man, we just got back from the ride. That thing is pretty beast, dog. I ain't never rode no V-Ride before, man. It's the first time for everything, man. I think it was pretty clean. Like, I like the power band, and it, like, kicks in, and then it's gone, dog. I had the neighbors freaking, 2 neighbors, they was like, they like, hey, man, calm it down. I'm like, yeah, man, new dude in town, man, wake up. Nah, that's dope, man. I like the bike, dog.